Today, I'm going to be talking about my growth mistake. And it's one of these things where you start off and you realize you failed, you haven't stuck to the diet, whatever it might be. And then you go, oh, I'm bad. Let me try harder. And then sometime later you go, oh, I failed. Oh, I'm bad. Let me try harder. Does that cycle sound familiar to you at all for any issues in your life? Well, let's explore that, because I found a way to overcome it. So what is the difference between a cycle of failure in growth versus sustainable growth? So what I discovered is that the things that are holding me back is not effort. It's not about trying harder. Neither is it specifically knowledge and skill. Often we go there. If I just gained this knowledge or gained this skill. But the reality is that what really holds us back is our mindsets, our limiting beliefs, those things that we hold on to and aren't prepared to go and explore. You see, even though I constantly talk about how all great leadership, for example, all great influence is internal to external, self-leadership is too. We've got to get to the root issue. We've got to get to the mindset that is holding us back. And so as we want to explore this, as we want to change things in our lives, really change things, sustainably change things, what we want to do is change the mindset. The mindset is like an autopilot, and we've got to change the setting on the autopilot, because then we can change the direction of our lives. And so that's the real place to do the work, and it's hard work. It might require all sorts of techniques, and I'll give you one idea that has really worked for me, is this idea of an affirmation. And by an affirmation, I'm not talking about these ones that are detached from reality. I'm talking about a declaration of what is really true in my essence, in my truest self. That's the kind of thing we want to tackle. And so I actually do some daily declarations to manifest things in my life, to make the things that I know are true about me no longer be limited by a belief or a mindset. And that is exciting, and it's empowering. And if you look at that, our quote this week is exactly about that. That the quote is actually about the growth mindset is the key to growth. Not knowledge, not skill, not effort. The growth mindset is the key. What about for you? What is your story? Where have you got yourself stuck that you need to open up to new ways of thinking, new mindsets, new settings on the autopilot that will empower your growth in a sustainable way?